let's see how to change page order in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our sample document. Now let's say that we want to rearrange this document and we would like to move this image into the last page and this last page into the page of this image. So what we can do right now is go over to the View tab and click on Navigation pane, and that will show the layout of your 4 pages right here on the left. Now, unfortunately, Microsoft does not support moving these pages, but something we can do is copy all this text, highlight it, or press Ctrl C on your keyboard, and right here, just before the third page, we can click Ctrl Enter. That will open up a new page for us, and simply paste the text by pressing Ctrl V. And as you can see, we have now moved one block of text before the image. And this text right here, the one that we moved and highlighted, we can simply delete. So just highlight all that and backspace. And that is how you rearrange pages in Microsoft Word. See you soon!